There are few moments in life that test a parent's strength like telling your child they have cancer. Your heart breaks. You search for the right words, trying to find a way to explain something so difficult and painful. And you wish with everything you have that you could take their pain away. You want to shield them from the harsh reality. It's a conversation no parent wants to have, yet it's one that demands incredible courage, love, and honesty. You must gather all your strength. This is a time for open hearts and open arms. It's a moment where your love and support become their lifeline. Your child needs to hear the truth from you, delivered with love and hope. They need to know that despite the challenges ahead, they need to feel your strength in their vulnerability, your unwavering support in their moments of fear and uncertainty, your calm in their storm. You are their rock, their source of stability when everything else feels uncertain. Remember, you are their anchor, their safe harbor. In the midst of this storm, your presence is their refuge. Your love will be their compass as you navigate this journey together. It will guide them through the darkest times. Let your love be the guiding force as you find the words to tell your child about their diagnosis. Speak from the heart. Your love will empower them to face this challenge, knowing they are not alone. Together, you will find the strength to move forward. You are in this together. Every step of the way, your love and support will be the foundation upon which they can lean. How do you tell a child they have cancer? The answer is simple, though not easy, with honesty and hope. Use clear, simple language that your child can understand. Avoid medical jargon. Explain the diagnosis in terms of their own body. For example, you might say, "The doctors found some sick cells in your body that need special medicine to get better." Focus on the positive. While honesty is crucial, so is hope. Emphasize that there are treatments to help them get better. Remember, this conversation is not a one-time event. It's the beginning of an ongoing dialogue. Be prepared to answer questions and provide reassurance along the way. Every child is unique, and so is every conversation about cancer. Tailor your approach to your child's age and understanding. For younger children, use simple explanations and concrete examples. You can compare cancer cells to bullies that need to be stopped. Older children and teenagers may need more detailed information. They may have questions about treatment options, side effects, and what the future holds. Be honest, but always offer hope and reassurance. Remember that silence is okay too. Not every child will be ready to talk right away. Be patient, be present, and let them know you are there for them, no matter what. Be prepared for difficult questions. Your child may ask, "Am I going to die? Or will I lose my hair?" These questions are heart-wrenching, but answer them honestly and with sensitivity. Reassure your child that they are not alone in this fight. Explain that doctors and nurses are there to help them get better. Focus on the positive aspects of treatment and recovery. Talk about the things they love to do and how you will support them throughout the process. Remember, you don't have to have all the answers. It's okay to say, "I don't know, but we'll find out together." Your honesty and openness will build trust and understanding. Treatment and triumph. Sharing the path forward. Talking about treatment can be daunting, but it's important to approach it with optimism and clarity. Explain the process in simple terms, focusing on the positive outcomes. Let your child know that treatment might involve going to the hospital, taking medicine, or having procedures. Reassure them that while it might be uncomfortable at times, it's all part of helping their bodies get stronger. Celebrate milestones together. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory to be cherished. Remember, knowledge is power. The more your child understands about their treatment, the more empowered they will feel to face it with courage. A roller coaster of emotions. Validating your child's feelings is crucial in helping them navigate through tough times. Cancer affects the entire family, and each member will experience a range of emotions. It's important to recognize that these feelings are valid and part of the healing process. Your child may feel scared, angry, sad, or confused. These emotions can be overwhelming, and they might not always have the words to express them. Validate their feelings and let them know that it's okay to feel this way. Reassure them that their emotions are normal and that it's okay to talk about them. Create a safe space for them to express themselves without judgment. This can be a physical space, like a cozy corner, or an emotional space where they feel heard and understood. Listen with your heart, offer comfort, and remind them that you are there for them, no matter what they are feeling. Encourage healthy coping mechanisms such as talking, drawing, or playing. Engage in activities that bring joy and relaxation, such as art, music, spending time in nature, or simply cuddling up with a good book. These activities can provide a much-needed break from stress. Remember, emotional well-being is just as important as physical health. Taking care of your child's emotional needs can help them feel more secure and loved. By acknowledging and supporting your child's feelings, you are nurturing their resilience and strength. This support helps them build the emotional tools they need to face challenges now and in the future. You are not alone. Stories of strength and hope. Sharing stories of other children who have battled cancer can provide hope and inspiration. Connect with support groups or online communities where families share their experiences. Reading books or watching movies about children who have overcome cancer can also be empowering. It helps to know that others have walked this path and emerged stronger on the other side. Remember, your child's journey may not be identical to others, but seeing examples of strength and resilience can provide comfort and encouragement along the way. Section 8. Creating a support system, family, friends, and professionals. Navigating childhood cancer is a team effort. Reach out to family and friends for support. Let them know how they can help, whether it's providing meals, running errands, or simply lending a listening ear. Don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. Social workers, therapists, and counselors can provide invaluable support for your child and your family throughout this journey. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Lean on your support system and allow others to help you carry the load. Their love and support will make all the difference. Section 9. Resources for the journey, where to find help and information. There are numerous resources available to families facing childhood cancer. Organizations like the American Cancer Society, St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, and the National Cancer Institute offer a wealth of information, support services, and financial assistance programs. Don't be afraid to ask your child's medical team for recommendations and referrals. They can connect you with local resources and support groups that meet your specific needs. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. There are people and organizations dedicated to helping families like yours navigate the challenges of childhood cancer. Section 10. The power of love, your constant embrace. Throughout this journey, remember the power of your love. Your child needs your unwavering support, your listening ear, your comforting hugs, and your constant presence. Create moments of joy and normalcy amidst the challenges. Continue family traditions, engage in activities your child enjoys, and cherish the precious moments you share together. Remember, love is the most powerful medicine. Your love has the power to heal, to strengthen, and to carry your child through the darkest of times. Section 11. A message of hope, brighter days ahead. In the midst of life's most challenging moments, it's essential to remember that brighter days are always on the horizon. Telling your child they have cancer is one of the hardest things a parent can do. The weight of those words can feel unbearable, and the fear of the unknown can be overwhelming. Yet within that challenge lies an opportunity to shower them with unparalleled love, strength, and hope. It's a time to come together as a family, to find strength in each other, and to show your child that they are not alone in this fight. While the road ahead may be uncertain at times, hold on to hope. Hope is a powerful force that can light the way even in the darkest of times. It can give you the courage to face each day with determination and resilience. Advances in cancer treatment are happening every day, and countless children are living long, healthy lives after a cancer diagnosis. The medical community is constantly working to find new and better ways to treat and cure childhood cancer. Embrace the power of your love, the strength of your family, and the support of the community around you. Lean on your friends, family, and healthcare professionals for support and guidance. Together, you can create a network of care and compassion that will help you through this journey. Together, you can navigate this journey and emerge stronger, more resilient, and filled with a profound appreciation for the precious gift of life. Every moment spent together, every smile, and every act of kindness will become a cherished memory. Remember, even in the darkest of nights, the sun will rise again. The dawn brings with it new possibilities, new hope, and the promise of a better tomorrow. And with it comes the promise of hope, healing, and the unwavering belief that together you can overcome anything. No matter how difficult the journey may be, brighter days are ahead, and you have the strength to reach them.